Today we are talking about title insurance. Oh, I know, super boring, but hold tight because there are a couple things that you need to know about what exactly title insurance is and how to read the policy, especially if you're buying property here in Arizona and other states that do title insurance. You definitely need to know what to look for. So stay tuned, we're starting right now. So what is title insurance? Well, basically, it provides a coverage for defects in title that might have happened before you took ownership of the property, but they might not be uncovered until after you close escrow. And then people are coming after your property and you're like, well, I didn't know you owned part of this property. So a title commitment is a document that is created by the title company as a promise to a buyer that they are buying a home free of any defects in title after close of escrow. Schedule B1 is where the meat and potatoes is, and it's really where you need to look through all the parts, but Schedule B1 shows all of the lien holders that are currently have interest in the property. So this could be like a contractor that was never paid. It could be HOA fees. It could be taxes that are due, outstanding mortgage that still needs to be paid off. This is really where you need to look, especially if you're the seller. You need to look at that because if you have a real common last name, there might be things on there that don't even belong to you, and you need to get that cleared up. Otherwise, you won't be able to transfer your title and close on your property. So really important to pay attention here. Every item in Schedule B1 is where the escrow officer will do their work. They will have a, I guess it's a coming to list or whatever, and that's what they call it, of items that will get paid off or cleared prior to close of escrow. So that is what, if you're wondering what that escrow officer does, that's exactly what they do. They are responsible for digging up all of that information and then making sure everything has been cleared before you close. So in Schedule B2 will be the exceptions part, what this title policy will not cover. So also good to know. It's just like on your auto insurance or your homeowner's insurance, there's always exceptions of things that they won't cover. So you need to know, again, what it covers and what it doesn't cover. So a little bit about the differences between the policies. So an Alta policy is going to relate to things regarding the chain of title. And so if there was forgery, like somebody forged a document that said that they were releasing the title, but it was really the person who was supposed to sign it had no idea. It's stuff like that can come up later. That's what's usually covered in a standard Alta policy. Now, if you have a broader coverage, like if you do the Eagle plan with First American or some other vendor, I just have the book on with the First American, that's gonna be a little bit broader coverage as far as stuff with easements and setbacks and stuff like that they're going to offer you coverage on outside of all of the other stuff that is covered by an Alta policy. So if you have additional questions about title insurance, please reach out. I'd be happy to connect you with someone that I know that works in the title industry, or have a really good seller's guide that outlines the whole process of selling your home, as well as the nice section on title insurance, what is covered, what isn't covered, etc. My contact links are below, or go to my website at michellemillerrealty.com. All my contact information is there. I'd love to help you any way I can. And then also, if you're on my website, go ahead and check out our blog. There's a ton of information about new projects coming to town, all things real estate, things Scottsdale, a lot of stuff you might find interesting. So, and if you haven't already, please press the subscribe button so you're notified next time we drop a video. Thanks again for watching. I am Michelle Miller with Michelle Miller Realty and Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Arizona Properties. Until next time, thanks for watching.